in to buy or not to buy video. You guys love the first one, and lately it's been a mix of things for the new home, new apps, websites, products, everything. So yeah, I'm gonna share my random views on products for you guys. Okay, so the first item on my list is my new planner. Now this is from Archetype, and they do really cool planners. So I waited really long for my planner. It's really interesting. It's got like stickers. I've already used some of the stickers on the front here. What I like about the planner is that it has ample space to like write your stuff and things like that. Now this is not very cheap. It's 1800 rupees for the planner, but this is something you're going to use the whole year, and I feel like if you have a good planner, your life becomes so much easier. Like, it's a really good planner, so I'm definitely gonna say to buy. The next item on my list is the new Vaseline Intensive Care Spray Moisturizer. Now what excited me about this was, you guys have seen my Nivea sunblock and I think my favorites videos and stuff like that, which is also a spray format, which I really love. So I was quite excited to try this. Now this is again 310 rupees, which is not very cheap for the, like, as compared to the usual Vaseline products. It is cheap on Amazon Strange. I think it's like 270 or something like that. I will link it below, and I'll try and link everything below for you guys. But yeah, I mean, I have been using this and I'm quite loving the results. I'm not going to go really close because my arms are really hairy right now and we're not going to discuss that. But yeah, as you can see, you just get like the cream out really easy, and it kind of just massages into your skin very easily. It's a lot lighter than like regular lotion, which is what I like about it. I got this one and I'm really happy with it. It says non-greasy on the bottle, and that is what it truly is. It is not greasy. I'm not someone who usually likes body lotions, I will admit that. And I only wanted to try this because it was a spray one, and I was like, okay, I want to get that. I'm definitely going to say it to buy. Next up, we have OB tampons. Now, lately I've been in and out of this house in the new house, and I remember I was staying over one night, and I had a tampon situation where I needed tampons here, and all my tampons were packed and sent there. So I was like, okay. I called the chemist and they only had OB tampons, which is when I realized how much I didn't like OB tampons before. They were cool tampons with applicators. So I'm going to show you one of these. So they're exactly like this, like a little bullet with no applicator, so you have to use your fingers, which is not really great. And these are 120 rupees for 10 tampons, so not that cheap. Like the Sophie ones or the Helen Harper ones that I've ordered off Amazon have been way better, so I'm going to say not to buy. Okay, so the next item on my list again is very random. What do you think this is? What do you think this is? It is a soap dish, and it is a travel soap dish. Now let me explain a little bit about this. So I was randomly on Amazon, like I always am, and this popped up. It's a travel soap. It's like a tongue twister. Travel soap dish. Travel soap dish. It was orange, so I was like, oh my god, what is this orange article? Click. You guys know I use soap. I use Medimix soap, and if you're someone who uses a soap and you travel a lot, you feel my pain. Like, you know, it's so easy to like travel with body wash, which is what I have to do like for short trips and things like that. But when I go like on a long trip, which is like over a week or 5-6 days, then I definitely want to take my soap along. And then you have to like take Ziploc bags or put it into little plastic bags and stuff like that. And it's just really like, ugh, like you don't know how to carry your soap, and then you know you shower and then you have to check out and your soap is wet and you don't want to, like, it's a mess basically. This, my friends, has really changed my life. So I took this on, I think, the last couple of trips that I went on, and it was so convenient. So it has no holes as such except for these, which kind of locks it. So it's this opening system where it's like a regular soap dish. Close it. Again, I bought this, as I said, off Amazon, 190 rupees, but totally worth it if you travel a lot, or even if you don't, but if you use soap, definitely get this. So definitely to buy. So my usual Apple charger, obviously, you know, ripped somewhere here, and I taped it and I did everything to salvage the situation, but it did not work eventually. and I had to get a new charger, and I went out to Amazon to just order one of the random ones which I've done before. And you know, usually those don't last either, or every few months they comp off and they charge really slowly. But this time when I searched, this one popped up, which is an Amazon Basics Apple verified charger. Now it's not cheap. It was I think $1,300 and down to $899 or around 900 on discount. And so it's not cheap, but it charges my iPhone really fast. So far it's really effective. What I like about it is that it's black, so it does not get dirty, because the white ones really look terrible after like a week. And yeah, so I'm gonna say if you're in need of an Apple charger, definitely to buy. The next one is an app. It's Big Basket. For those of you who follow me on Twitter, you probably know that I've been having a bit of a Twitter war with them. So yeah, I mean, with the new house, we don't really have a lot of stuff around, and we was using like Grofers and Big Basket and things like that to kind of order stuff. With Big Basket, I tried them on 2 different occasions. So the first time, the order was supposed to come in like say around 11 o'clock or whatever, and until like 2 in the afternoon they kept like, you know, dilly-dallying, saying half an hour more. Finally I tweeted about it, and then someone called me and they were like, oh, we're really sorry and we're working on the situation, but you can't get your order until like 7 p.m, which was really random because we'd ordered a lot of stuff that had to be made for lunch, and it was already 1:30 and we had no lunch. So I was like, okay, this is not working for me, and I was really pissed off, and we had to cancel the order then. The next day I was like, okay, you know, we needed like some chicken, and I was like, there's no other way to order meat, so let's give it a shot and try it again. So I tried the express delivery option, which is supposed to be within 90 minutes, and the express delivery was also like an hour and a half late, and I had to call like 5 times to figure out why, and nobody gave me any answers. So I'm gonna say not to buy, because I mean, if you offer a service and you say express delivery within 90 minutes, it should happen within 90 minutes. Or for whatever reason, if you have committed to like delivering an order on a, you know, particular time, and that's the service, then you have to kind of provide that. And yeah, I mean, it's happened like twice, so I'm gonna say not to buy. The next item is citronella oil. We have a lot of these diffuser type things in our new house that work with a candle, and like we got a lot of vouchers at our wedding as like gifts. So someone gave us good vouchers, and we bought like this citronella oil from there, which is like so yummy, and it is just divine. Oh, it's so good. And the best part about this is that it kind of gets rid of the like mosquitoes and stuff. Citronella is really great with that. So I'm gonna say it's a little expensive, because I think it was around 900 rupees for this tiny bottle, but then you mix it with water and you just need a few drops and all of that. So if you're not really on a budget, I would definitely say to buy. If you are, I'm gonna say find a cheaper version, but still buy. It just makes the house smell amazing, and you feel like you're in a spa, like perpetually, like your house feels like a spa. So I'm gonna say to buy. Then the next item on my list is this, which is the Kerastase Discipline Mask Keratin. Okay, it's a really fancy sounding name, and I mean, we all know Kerastase is expensive. Normally I would never buy Kerastase because it's pretty expensive, and I don't really spend that much on like my hair, because I wash my hair really often. But I went to the salon maybe a month before the wedding to get a haircut, and everybody was like, your hair is really dry and you should do like, you know, these treatments to like, you know, hair spa and blah and blah and blah. And honestly, before the wedding we did nothing. Like, I didn't do any of those like facial treatments, hair spa, none of that. There was just no time for anything. They were like, if you're not going to maybe do that, then maybe get a cool mask and use it and stuff like that. So I did buy this then. I think it was around 3,000 rupees, and I was just like, oh my god. But then in my head I equated it as like, okay, if you were to do like 4 or 5 hair spas, you would probably spend more, and you probably would have done them if you had the time or inclination to do them, but you didn't do them, and it's your wedding and you get married once in your life, so just buy it. Yes, this is what was happening to me when I saw it at the counter. So I bought it, but of course, the star that I am, I used it a few times. I shouldn't have bought it, or I wouldn't have bought it had I not been getting married. So, I mean, again, if you're not on a budget and you're someone who likes really luxe products for your hair, go for it. But if you're like me and you're not someone who spends a lot on your hair, and you know, you're not someone who's so concerned about it, I'm going to say it not to buy, sadly. Then we have another website, so Pepperfry. You guys have seen the zillion ads that they put out, like me, and when you're doing a new house up and you look for anything house related online, Pepperfry will pop up first. And we ordered a lot of small stuff from Pepperfry before the wedding, and we also ordered a lot of chairs. Like we ordered a chair for the new house, and I ordered like new dining table chairs for this house as well, and stuff like that. Lots of small things like the mandir, or like serving bowls, the table runner, table mats, things like that. And I must say their service has been fantastic. Like initially there was one hiccup, and I tweeted once about it. It literally said, you know, oh, I called your helpline, they couldn't help me. And the person that called me back after that has been so amazing, and they followed up on every order. You know, their health centers called us and been like, have you received your order? Has it been in proper condition? All of that. And everybody has been really, really good. So if you're looking for home related stuff, I'm definitely gonna say go to Pepperfry and get it from them. They are reliable, their quality is good, and yeah, definitely to buy. So that's all that I have in this edition of to buy or not to buy. And if there's anything else that you guys want me to review, leave it in the comments, and maybe I will buy it, because I buy a lot of random stuff. See you guys. Bye.